guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bailey. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at Bailey_Stewart. Follow my TikTok at Bailey_Stewart. As you can tell by the title of today's video, this is going to be a Fashionnova try-on haul. So thank you so much, Fashionnova, for sponsoring this video. I'm going to be showing you a ton of like super cute spring and summer items that I got, and I will have everything linked down below, that way you guys can quickly shop. And let's just get on into the video. So the first item that I'm wearing is this Catch a Later crochet mini dress, and I got it in a size small. Should have gone, I guess I should have gone to an extra small, because like it is not form-fitting at all, so it just kind of like awkwardly hangs there. I do love the print and the crochet detail. I think it is very cute. It's a halter tie neck. It's just not going to make you look super curvy, to be honest. Like, it's not form-fitting at all, so I should have gone to an extra small, but then I'm afraid it would have been too short. So I don't know. I do think it's cute. It's a nice summer dress. It's just definitely on the looser side. Like, it should be hugging, I feel like, right here, and it just doesn't. Okay, so next set is the Esme crochet mini skirt set, size small. Right now this one's way too small, to the point where like it's hard to like pull this down so you see the underlayer, yet the waist is really big, but it's tighter on the back side. I do like this halter top. I like sets. It's good for summer, however I just don't find it super flattering. It's got this like crochet detail with different colors, mini skirt, elastic waistband, and then the back is like a tie top. So you tie it right here and then you tie it at the neck. So it is good for like the beach, maybe as like if you're in Miami, or you just want something quick and cute to throw over your bathing suit to go in somewhere. So next is the My First Choice flare pant, and I got it in the color chartreuse, size extra small. It's this really nice lime green, and it's got this scrunch tie detail to suck in the waist. It's these stretchy flare lounge pants. They are very flattering. They're almost like a velvety material. Definitely think you might get hot in them. But again, they're these flare bottom pants, bell bottoms, which means they're definitely gonna make you look curvier. So I absolutely love them. Then I'm pairing it with the Dates With You crop top, size small. This is the color white. They also have it in black. Here we have the Feel the Rhythm flare pants, size extra small. They're really stretchy. They have this like tie thing in the back just to kind of cinch in the waist, give it a little something extra. And then these are what the full length look like. They are bell bottoms, so definitely accentuating. Okay, so here are the In a Trance flare pants in size extra small. They're these super stretchy flare bell bottoms. They've got these rainbow checkers. Okay, so next we have this top. It's like a bandeau scarf top that you tie in the back. I got a size small. It's called the Sabella Satin Handkerchief Top. It's super cute, perfect for summer and easy to wear. Okay, so next I have on the She's Got Flair Distressed Super Stretch Jeans, and these are in the light blue wash. They're bell bottom, so they flare at the bottom. I feel like these definitely make you look curvier just because, oh my God, they're huge. But these are extremely flared at the bottom. Yeah, like a lot. So I don't mind it, but if you don't like bell bottoms, these probably are not for you. They have a lot of stretch, so sizing is definitely lenient. I always look for Fashionnova jeans with less cotton, because then that means they're usually super stretchy. Okay, so next are these Sunday brunch wide leg pants, color black. I got an extra small, should have gone to a small because right here is pretty tight. It has like a shorts layer underneath, I guess for extra coverage, or I guess to make sure it's not sheer. The waist, even though it's an extra small, it's still pretty baggy on me, but it's got this like pleated look. I think that's what they're called. Detail. They are wide leg. They're perfect for like the beach. And then I'm pairing it with the Dates With You crop top, size small, but in a black. So it's the exact same as the white one, just black. It's this lace detail. The straps are adjustable. Okay, so here are the Nowhere to Run distress shorts, medium blue wash, and they're pretty stretchy. They've got these like rip details. Nice pair of shorts for the summer if you don't mind having like the rips. It's fringe at the bottom. Here are the side-eye lace-up denim shorts in the color black. It doesn't fit my waist that well, but it does have like the lace-up detail right here that you can adjust. Okay, and then the last item, oh, I'm chopping my head off, I got is this white set. I can't remember the name, but I'll have it on the screen or link down below. It's this white lace two-piece set with like a tie front top. It's cropped, and then these matching flare pants that have like an under shorts layer, so that way you can't see anything. Looks like this. I'll have a photo of me wearing it on the screen so you can see what it looks like. But that is everything for this Fashion Nova try-on haul. So thank you so much, Fashion Nova, for sponsoring this video and sending me these items. Leave a like, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.